Hey guys, it's me, Nikkie B, and you're in the kitchen with me. So, this morning I decided to bake, this afternoon, because it's after 1, I decided to make some gluten-free streusel muffins. OMG. Forgive my fingers in the shot, guys, because I'm still getting back to getting my wings. Let me tell you guys, these are amazing, and they're just in time for the holidays or any day. I made a crumb topping with brown sugar, cinnamon, a little bit of butter, buttermilk. These are buttermilk coffee cake muffins with cinnamon in them. Now, I'm going to cut one open later and post pictures, but I wanted you guys to see that I'm back at it. The struggle is real, but the journey is worth it. Thank you guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. Feliz Navidad. And everything else in between. Please hit like and subscribe. Nikkie's Guide to a Healthier Lifestyle. Like the group page. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and also YouTube. Have a great day.